While I'm waiting for the house to wake up, I am going to cut simplicity 8509 in this fabric. And I'm doing view B. Yes, I am ironing my pieces of button because when you cut out, it's just easier if your button pieces are nice and flat. Another thing I would advise you to iron is your fabric before you start cutting, because it can make folds or just be wrinkled. And then when you cut, you actually end up with a bigger piece or a smaller piece because of that. Also, remember to pre-wash. If you do not pre-wash, you might end up with a garment that's too small because the fabric might shrink. And it's really heartbreaking when that happens.
Middle of the road, it's just a feeling of a distant melody unknown. I was doing fine.
Oh, this fabric is so beautiful. So the back is done. I decided not to overlock because I don't want it to shine through or press through when you press it. So I've just zigzagged it. You have to zigzag this fabric. It is actually quite fraying in certain spaces. So this is the back, and now I'm going to do the front and iron on the facings and iron on the violin for the facings. This coat have slit pockets that's supposed to go forward, so it's going to go inside and then be on this side, and I've just pinned them in place, and let's go and make them. So you sandwich the welt between the pocket and the fabric. I've done that now, and now I'm going to cut the pocket open as well as the fabric on the back, and it looks like this. Okay, I've done both sides, and now I'm going to flip the pocket through that slit, and I've just realized I've done it the wrong way. So the pocket part, let's flip it back. This part needs to be on this side. So let me quickly unpick. And that's where we are. I now need to put the lining in. And it was too big, so I need to make the side smaller. Okay, I'm leaving in less than 12 hours. And I'm still busy. So that needs its hems and the lining. And over here, I'm busy ironing the lining flat. What can I say? Last minute Susie.
I wanna see your face.